everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to be painting this 3-inch art stone. I'm going to start by giving it 2 coats of black paint and letting it dry a few days. I've got out one of my 3-inch Mandala Brainstorms, and I'm going to do a little experiment with this super vibrant, beautiful set that Ro sent me. Thank you so much, Ro. Y'all know I used the light blue in my Puffy dot video. If you missed that video, I'm linking it down below with lots of videos that are going to help you with this project. What I'm wanting to do is come up with a solid recipe to turn these heavy body paints into puffy dots. So I'm going to pick out some feminine colors like purple, pink, blue, and what I'm wanting to do is make a sensory stone. If you don't know what that is, it is a rock that has really good texture to it that your hands just can't help but want to touch, like a fidget type thing. And it keeps your hands busy, and a lot of people find that very soothing, very therapeutic. So I kind of want to make one with a teenaged vibe to it, but I need a recipe to make these dots hold up. So I'm going to use my 3-inch Mandala Brainstorm. I am going to mix 3 different colors, maybe just a little bit different mixture ratios to see what works best. And then I'm gonna make a mandala on a rock, and we are gonna see how this turns out. You guys, cross your fingers. Give Ro a great big thank you in the comment section for making this happen for us today, and let's get painting. All right, everybody, I've got the hard part behind me. All the paint is mixed up. I've given this a lot of practice. All I've got to do is get my guidelines on my stone and get to painting. You guys, if you need help transferring these guidelines over or any questions on how to use these Mandala Brainstorms, I got a whole video I'm leaving down in the helpful videos section below. I'm also linking all the supplies I'm using. Everything you need is there. The rest of this project is only going to take roughly 20 to 30 minutes. You guys, this is going to be fun. Let's get to it. I just wanted to give a quick shout out and a great big thank you to Diane. She sent me a whole box full of really useful items that I use daily. All of these things get used in the background, and I'm afraid I don't say thank you enough because you don't see them in my videos. But y'all, I am so appreciative. Diane, thank you so much. Truly thoughtful, truly helpful. I appreciate it. Thank you. right, everybody, does this not speak to your inner teen? I'm telling you, the JaDeL of 30 years ago would have loved these colors, she would have loved this texture, and how satisfying it is to just I can't quit touching it, y'all. It is so wonderful. I hope you guys give this a try just so you can see what I'm talking about. It's so easy. I am just bumfuzzled at how easy it is. I think I've been making this so complicating for so long. You guys, I'm leaving everything I use down in that description, links to everything. I'm also going to leave a couple of videos right here all about puffy dots. Until next time, rock on.
Boom.